From its inception, Autel has been committed to providing its users with the tools and software to meet the demands of diagnosing and servicing the ever-evolving automobile. From legacy brands to startups, automakers are committed to electric vehicles, and Autel's right there, providing its users with the tools and technology to ensure that these vehicles are serviced with the utmost skill, efficiency, and safety. Our commitment to our users is behind our release of the Ultra and 909 EV tablets and the EVDiag software device. This includes the connector kit that brings EV diagnostic capability to the Ultra series of tablets. Recent software updates and diagnostic cable and adapter releases now enable all Ultra series tablets to perform diagnostics, special functions, and coding on Tesla S, X, 3, and Y models. Launched in 2003, Tesla produced its first mass-market electric sedan in 2012 with the Model S, followed by the Model X SUV in 2015 and the Model 3 in 2017. Tesla is by far the best-selling electric vehicle manufacturer in the US. It is the first to have over 190,000 sales in a calendar year and sold over 500,000 vehicles in the United States last year. The Tesla Y was the best-selling non-truck in the first quarter of this year in the United States and Europe. Tesla Update 2.0 for the Ultra series of tablets includes read and erase codes capability for the Tesla Model 3 and Y for an expansive list of systems that offer ECU reset and connection test, which are two of the special functions. Autel released a new Tesla-compatible JX03 IAI 778 adapter to facilitate the diagnostics. The CAN 001 cable in Autel's test kit, released earlier this year, must also be connected to the CAN port on Model 3s and Model Y. Autel released software updates and the test kit for Tesla S and X vehicles in July 2021. The test kit includes LAN 001 and CAN 001, along with CAN 002 to diagnose pre- and post-2015 Tesla S and X models. How-to connect sheets are included with cable and adapter kits. Tesla Software version 2 is available on all Autel's MaxiSYS Ultra, Ultra EV, MS919, MS909, and MS909 EVs with active subscriptions. Traction, battery, and HVAC compressor testing can be performed on Tesla vehicles with the Ultra EV, MS909 EV, or with the Ultra, MS919, and the MS909 with the purchase of the EV Diagnostic Kit. For more information about Autel's EV Diagnostic line of products, visit us at autel.com. Thanks for watching.